This tutorial is about how to set appraisals for your staff on Appraisal Connector. Everything to do with staff appraisals on Appraisal Connector is under the Staff Reviews tab at the top of the page. If you click on this tab, you will see your staff listed down the left-hand side by first name in alphabetical order. And next to each staff member's name, you will see that there is the ability to schedule an appraisal. If you go across to the Schedule Appraisal link and click on it, it will open up the appraisal structure page. And you may go through and choose the question sections you want to include for this particular staff member. As we scroll down, you can see there's questions around the teaching practice, tātai ako, contributing to professional learning community, management, again professional values, and ancillary support staff. And if you're a leader, there will also be a leadership reflector section. So if we choose some questions around professional values, and we choose two sections there, and we want to preview those sections. If we click on the preview, we can see the questions that are included in that question section. To close that, we click Close. Once we've chosen the relevant question section, and trying to avoid choosing too many sections. In fact, we have a message that comes up that warns you when you've chosen over 50 questions in one appraisal. We find that this leads to people just going through and becoming a tick box exercise and not really putting a lot of thought into it once they have too many more after that. Next thing, once you've chosen the question sections, is to go down and choose the date you would like the staff member to complete the appraisal by. So in this case, I'm going to choose the 15th of March. Now, to create a self-appraisal for this particular staff member, we would click Create at the bottom. If you then want to add peer appraisers to this staff member and have them appraise the staff member on the same questions at the same time, we next need to click Create. Once we've clicked Create, we get taken to a page, and in the top box, left-hand side box, you'll see that there's a list of names. To add someone to appraise this particular person, you just need to highlight their name. Now you can add multiple ones just by following the instructions at the top of the page. So in this case, I'm going to add Caroline and Inter. Once I've added those two people, and they will be the appraisers for Caroline, I'm going to click Add Appraisers. And once I've done that, you will see that Inter has been added to the appraisal. Now, to see who has completed appraisals and who has not completed appraisals once you've set them up, you just click Staff Reviews. And now you'll see that Caroline InterLEAD has an appraisal set up to complete by the 15th of March 2019. That is all you need to do to schedule an appraisal for a staff member. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you.